Good evening, guys. In the last class, we discussed about Java features. There are several features available in the Java. Because of those features, Java became more popular in the market. What are those features? Java is simple programming language. Java is platform independent. Java is robust programming language. Java is object oriented programming language. Java is secure programming language. Java is distributed. Java is platform. And we can even say that Java is a dynamic programming language. We can also say that Java is a dynamic programming language. Why we can say Java is a dynamic? Dynamically, it will allocate the memory and deallocate the memory which is required for our program execution. That's why we can call Java is a dynamic programming language. And we also discussed about what is the slogan of the Java. What is the Java slogan? Java is Ora. Java follows Ora. Write once, run anywhere. If you write your program in one machine, you can run that program in any machine. Write once and run anywhere. That is the slogan of the Java. Next one, we have seen environment setup for the Java. If you want to develop the Java programs, we need to prepare the environment, right? For that, we have done two steps. First one is download and install Java software. We downloaded Java software from official website, that is Oracle. There are several versions available, but which version is the most famous version now? Java 1.8 version. All right. So whenever we try to download Java, Oracle is asking to create a account. We have a account and we have downloaded that Java. We downloaded Java Windows flavor. I am using Windows operating system. So I downloaded Java belongs to Windows 64-bit operating system. I downloaded and installed. When I download and install, two things are getting installed. One is JDK, another one is JRE. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK contains set of tools to develop the Java programs. And we discussed about JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It will provide a platform to run our Java programs. Inside the JVM, inside the JRE, we have JVM. What is the JVM? What is the purpose of JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. That JVM is intelligent. It will convert the bytecode into machine understandable code, program execution, memory allocation, memory deallocation. Everything will be taken care by JVM. Can we see that JVM? No, it is a part of JRE. It is a virtual machine. We cannot see that JVM. All right. After Java installation is completed, can we directly use that Java? Can I directly use that Java? No. We need to set the path for Java. Why we need to set path for Java? Our machine cannot recognize where Java got installed. We need to tell to the machine where Java got installed in our machine. So installation completed, path setup also completed. How can I verify Java is working in my machine or not? Open the command prompt, execute Java. So am I getting some options? Yes. Now can I try Java-V? Java version. Am I able to check the version of the Java? Yes. Which version of the Java we are using? We are using Java 1.8 version. We are using Java 1.8 version. Yes. Is it visible? Yes, right. We are able to see version of Java. That means my machine is able to recognize where Java software installed in my machine. Are you guys clear with this? Chalo. So with this, we are good with environment setup, right? Do I need any other software to develop Java programs? Do I need any other software to develop the Java program at this moment? We are beginners in the Java. We are beginners in the Java. In order to develop the Java program, you can use Notepad. In our Windows operating system, by default, we will have a Notepad. So text editor. It is a text editor. We can write the Java programs directly in the Notepad. You can use Notepad plus plus. You can use Notepad plus plus also. The reason is, if I go for Notepad, if I type something, line numbers are not available. Line numbers are not available. Okay. Instead of that, if you go for Notepad plus plus, this is Notepad plus plus. You can download and install Notepad plus plus. If I type it, am I able to see the line numbers? You can use Notepad plus plus also to develop the Java program. Any text editor. You can use any text editor to develop the Java program. And there is another software called Edit Plus. There is other text editor is available that is called Edit Plus. You can write the Java programs in the Edit Plus also. Sir, how many days we are going to write the programs in the text editors till we get perfection with the Java programs? Another 1 month of time we are going to work with these editors only to write the Java program. But once we join in the industry, nobody will use these text editors to develop the programs. These text editors we are using when we are learning Java in the initial days. Till end of the course, I am not going to use Notepad. Notepad I will use for next 1 month of time. That's it. Core Java will take 2 months of time. In that core Java, first 1 month only, I am going to use this Notepad to develop the Java program. After that, we need to use one software called IDE. We need to use one software called IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is one software. By using that software, we can develop the Java programs easily, automatic suggestions, shortcuts. You can write more work, you can write more code in the less time when you go for IDE. There are several IDEs are available in the market. What are those? Eclipse IDE is available. Eclipse IDE available. My Eclipse IDE available. NetBeans IDE available. Spring Tool Suite IDE available. IntelliJ IDE is available. These all are the IDEs which are available in the market to develop the Java programs. In the industry, in the companies, once you join in the company, you have to write the code by using any one of this IDE. We don't use those software. We don't use the text editors in the company. So initially, to understand the basics of the Java, we are going to use text editor. Once we got some understanding, then we will jump into IDE. IDE is a software. So tomorrow, where we are going to write the programs in future as a Java developer, in the Notepad or in the IDE? In the IDE. But immediately, I am not going to teach you IDE. Immediately, I'm not going to teach you IDE. First, we will start with very basics. All right, good. Now, so we need to write our Java program and we need to execute our first Java program. We need to write a Java program and we need to execute the Java program. Java programs development. Java programs development. So we can write the Java program in any text editor. We can write the Java program in any text editor. We can write Java programs in any text editors. What are the text editors available? Notepad is one text editor. Notepad plus plus is one text editor. Edit plus is one text editor. In companies, we will use IDE to develop Java programs or projects. To develop a Java program or to develop a Java project, we are going to use IDE. What is the meaning of IDE? IDE means integrated development environment. That means it will provide set of tools to write more code in the less time, do more work in the less time, some shortcuts, automatic suggestions it will give you. You can write more code in the less time by using IDE. Concentrate, sir. Last one. See here, not that side. Yeah. So we are going to use IDEs. What are the IDEs available in the market? What are the IDEs available? Eclipse is one IDE and MyEclipse is one IDE. NetBeans is one IDE. Eclipse, MyEclipse, NetBeans, STS nothing but Spring Tool Suite. STS nothing but Spring Tool Suite. And we have one more IDE called IntelliJ. There is IDE called IntelliJ. By using these IDEs, we are going to develop our Java programs. Are you guys clear? We can write a program in any text editor, and in companies in real time we will use IDE to develop the programs. There are several IDEs are available. I will show you how to work with three IDEs. I will show you how to work with Eclipse IDE. I will show you how to work with STS IDE, and I will show you how to work with IntelliJ IDE. We are going to work with three different IDEs by end of this course. Got it? Perfect. Next one. Java programs procedure. Java program execution flow. How a Java program is going to execute. As we discussed in the last session, we are going to write a Java program. We are going to write a Java program. That Java program should have .java as the extension. Whatever the Java program you are going to write, that Java program should have .java extension. Where you want to write the program, that file name can be anything. You can save it as abc.java, hello.java, ashokit.java, hello world.java. Like that, you login.java, register.java. You can use any name. You can use any name. You have luxury to use any name for the file, but there are some suggestions given by Sun Microsystem. We will discuss about those suggestions also, but those are not mandatory. If you want, you can follow them. It is recommended to follow. So can I use any name for the file? Do I need to use only some fixed name? No. You can use any name for the file, but file extension should be .java only. In that .java file, we are going to write Java code. Sir, how many lines of Java code we can write inside that Java file? There is no limit. There is no limit. Infinite lines of code you can write inside a single Java file. But in the industry, the recommendation is maintain up to 2000 lines. If your code is more than 2000 lines, go for another file. Don't use the same file to write 10,000 lines, 20,000 lines. It will become difficult to manage. The industry recommendation is 2000 lines of code. But how many lines Java will support? Infinite lines. You can write any number of lines of code in the Java file. What is the extension of the Java file? .java. All right. Once we have .java file, then we need to compile the Java program. We need to compile the Java program. Whenever we compile the Java program, it will generate .class file. Whenever you have a Java program, we cannot execute directly. We need to compile the Java program. To compile the Java program, we have a software called Java compiler. What is available, guys? Java compiler. This is compilation phase. This is compilation phase. Whenever you compile the Java program by using Java compiler we are going to use to compile the Java program. Whenever you compile the Java program, it will check syntaxes of the program. Are you following proper syntaxes or not? Is your program is correct or not? Are there any mistakes in your program? Are you following proper syntaxes given by Sun Microsystem or not? It is going to check your program is valid or not. If your program is valid, then only compilation will be success, then only .class file will be created. If there is a mistake in your program, compilation will fail. If a compilation is failed, then .class file will not be generated. So we need to make sure our Java program is valid. Our Java program is following the syntaxes. Our Java programs are correct. Then only we can do the compile. Tell me, what is compilation? Translating. The process of converting the Java code into bytecode is called as compilation. Who is going to compile our Java program? Java compiler. Where is that Java compiler? In JDK. Are you guys getting my point? Now, we installed Java. In our computer, we installed Java C program files, Java JDK. Inside the JDK, you have a bin. In that bin, can you see there is a tool called javac.exe? Javac.exe, that is a Java compiler software which is available in the JDK bin directory. Now you understand why we set the path up to bin directory? Why we set the path up to bin directory? The tools are available inside the bin directory. That is the reason we configure the path up to bin directory. Perfect. Tell me, what is a compilation? What is the compilation? The process of converting our Java program into bytecode. Here, which code will be available? Bytecode. Can we understand that bytecode? Can we understand that bytecode? No. Sir, if the bytecode is available in the .class file, what code available in the Java file? The code which we write in the Java file is called as source code. So as a developer, what is our responsibility? We need to develop source code. So tomorrow in the companies, we are responsible to develop the source code. Who will convert the source code into bytecode? Java compiler. So what is the command to use the Java compiler? Java C. Java C stands for Java compiler. Java compiler is responsible to verify syntaxes of our program. It is responsible to validate and verify correctness of our program. If our program is correct, if our syntaxes are correct, then only our program will be compiled into bytecode. Bytecode is human readable. Bytecode is, can I read that bytecode? Can you read that bytecode? Can my computer read that bytecode? No. Bytecode we cannot read. Machines cannot read. Humans also cannot read. What about source code? Humans can read the source code. I can read the source code. You can read the source code because it is a plain English. Source code is a plain English. Bytecode you cannot read. I cannot read. My computer also cannot read. But there is one person who can read the bytecode. Who is that? JVM. What is a JVM? Java Virtual Machine. Now, once we compile the Java source code, compiler will check the syntax of our program and it will convert that source code into bytecode. Once we have the bytecode, then we need to execute our program. That means we need to run our program. Execute or run. Either we need to execute or we need to run. In order to run the Java program, there is a tool called Java. There is a tool called Java. Once you run the Java program, that hero will come. Who is that hero? JVM. Right. So the JVM will come. Once you run the Java program, JVM is going to start automatically. JVM will start automatically. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. What this JVM will do now? What this JVM will do? This JVM will translate our code into machine understandable format. It will convert our bytecode into machine language. What is that machine language? Binary language. Machine language means binary language. JVM is the one which is going to convert our bytecode into machine understandable code and it will provide output for us. This is Java program execution flow. Tomorrow, when you develop any project, the execution flow will be the same. So till end of the course, we have to remember this. We need to develop the source code. That source code we need to compile by using Java compiler. If the source code is correct, compilation will be success. If the source code is not correct, compilation is failure. Okay, once the source code is compiled, we need to run the program. Whenever we run the program, JVM will start. JVM will take the bytecode. JVM will understand the bytecode. Bytecode is the mother tongue for the JVM. JVM will understand that bytecode. JVM will convert that bytecode into computer understandable format. Now, my Java is a platform dependent or my Java is a platform independent. My Java program is platform independent. I will write the Java program. I will compile the Java program. I will give you .class file. I will give you bytecode. So can you run the bytecode directly? I will give the bytecode for you, man. Can you use the JVM and can you run that? Yes or no? That is what we are going to do, right? Tomorrow in the company, we will develop the source code. We will compile the source code. Bytecode will come. We will give the bytecode to the customer. What customer will do? Customer need to develop that or customer need to run that? Customer runs that. So now, if I have the bytecode, if I give the bytecode, can you run that bytecode? You can also run the bytecode. What you need to run the bytecode? JVM. So to get the JVM, you need to install JDK or you need to install only JRE. You need to install only JRE. JVM will read the bytecode. JVM will understand the bytecode. JVM will convert the bytecode into computer understandable format and it will give the output. Are you able to follow this? Now, can anyone tell me what is the execution flow of the Java program? Java program execution flow. Can anyone tell me what is the process of Java programs execution? Yeah. Who will write the source code? Developers will write the source code. So save that file as a .java. After that, compile the source code. If the what will happen in the compilation? That compiler will check the code. If the code is valid, then it will convert into bytecode. Once we have the bytecode, then what we need to do? We need to run the bytecode. When you run the bytecode, who will actually run that? JVM. What JVM will do? What the JVM will do? JVM will understand the bytecode, convert into computer understandable format. Are you clear with program execution flow? Yes, perfect. Now, guys, let us take. Now here, I am creating one folder called workspace. I'm creating one folder called workspace. Workspace means where we will do our project work. Workspace is nothing but where we will do our project work. So this is my workspace folder. Currently, do I have anything in this folder? Currently, I don't have anything in this folder. Now, I will create one text file, new text document. I created a text file. For this text file, I am giving the name as hello.java. What is that, guys? Hello.java. Is there any code available? Is there anything? It is a empty file. It is a empty file. What is the name of the file? Hello. Name of the file is hello. What is the file extension? .java. Can I change the file name? Can I change the file name? Can I change the file extension? We should not. File name can be anything, but extension should be .java. Perfect. So we can create a file like this. We can create a file like this. Now, 1 minute. Yeah, open this file. Open with notepad. Open with notepad. Yes, my file is opened. This is a text file. Currently, nothing is available in the file. Let me write some English characters. Okay, I'm writing something in the file. Save it. Then close it. Do I have some content in the file? Do I have some content in the file? Yes, I have some content. Can I compile and run this file? Can we try? Can we try that? Yes. Now, wherever your Java file is available, from that location only open the command prompt. From that location only open the command prompt. You see users, Ashok, classes, 01 Java full stack development workspace. This is the path where my Java program is available. Tell me syntax for compilation. Java C space file name. What is our file name? Hello.java. What I am doing now? I am trying to compile the program. Hello.java. What happened? Error. That means my program is correct or my program is incorrect. As per Java compiler, my program is incorrect. Able to understand? So now compilation is a success or compilation is a failure. Compilation is a failure. When the compilation is a failure, that class is generated. That class is not generated. That class is not generated. Okay, fine. How to compile the Java program? To compile the Java program, we are using Java C space file name .java. What is the command we are using to compile? What is the command we are using to compile the Java program? Java C space file name .java, that is used for compiling the Java program. In order to run the Java program, Java space file name. What is we are going to use? Java space file name, or basically we will call it as a Java space class name. Java space class name or Java space file name. Currently, I'm giving it as a file name. So with this, we know two commands. Java C command, Java command. What is the purpose of Java C? What is the purpose of Java? Java C is used to compile the program. Java is used to run the program. So when I use Java C, Java compiler will come. When I use Java, JVM will come. Are you guys getting my point? When I use the Java C is one software. Java C is one tool which is used to compile the program. When I use the Java C, Java compiler will come and it will check the program. Is this program is correct or not? My program is not correct. So compilation failed. If a compilation is failed, bytecode is generated or bytecode is not generated. Bytecode is not generated. Are you guys clear with my point? Perfect. Now, if you want to write the Java program, then we need to know Java syntaxes, set of rules and guidelines given by Java. Set of rules, guidelines given by Java. Simple example. Now, you are attending the class in the second floor. You are attending the class in the second floor. You came to the classroom. After the class is completed, I will tell you, go to first floor, then go to ground floor, then leave the building. So that instruction you need to follow, then only you can go down safely. Are you going to jump directly? Why? If you want to go to your hostel, are you going to jump from the second floor, or you need to go to, by taking the steps now? But that is the rule. That is the rule. If you want to come inside the building, you need to go to that steps and you need to come. If you want to go down, you need to go to that steps and you need to go down. That is the rule we need to follow. Then only safely you can go down, safely you can come up. Similarly, when we are developing a Java program, we need to follow some syntaxes. Can I decide that syntax? I am a Java developer, right? Can I decide that syntax? Can I decide the syntax for the Java? No, no. Who decided those syntaxes? Java decided that. Sun Microsystem decided that. We need to follow their syntaxes to write the program. Are you guys getting my point? So we need to follow some syntaxes. We need to follow some syntaxes to write the Java program which can understand by Java compiler. Which can understand by Java compiler. People will feel programming is difficult because people cannot understand those syntaxes. The people who says that coding is difficult, means they are not able to understand the syntaxes, they are not able to remember the syntaxes. Now, if you use those syntaxes correctly, then only your program will compile, then only your program will run. We need to know syntaxes of the Java. Not only Java, if you go for any programming language, syntax will be available. Program nothing but set of syntaxes only, set of instructions only. Are you guys clear with my point? Now, to write the Java program, first what we need to understand? To write the Java program, first what we need to understand? Java syntaxes we need to understand. Without knowing the syntax, can you write the program? If you write it, can you compile that? If you compile, will it be successful? No. First, you need to know the syntax of the Java. If your Java syntax is correct, if your program syntaxes are correct, then only compiler can compile your program into bytecode. Once the bytecode is generated, then only we can run that program. Are you guys clear with my point? Any questions as of now? So to become a programmer, what is the first thing that we need to know? Syntax of the program. Now, if you go for C language will have set of syntaxes. If you want to become a C language developer, then you need to know C language syntaxes. If you want to become a Java developer, you need to learn Java syntaxes. If you want to become Python developer, then you need to know Python syntaxes. If you want to become a PHP developer, you need to learn the PHP syntaxes. But 90% of programming languages syntaxes will be same. If you learn the Java, you can work with the .NET also. If you learn the Java, you can work with the Python also. Now, to be frank, now I am working on Java. If my company asks me to work on the .NET, it is just 1 to 2 weeks of time for me. Because already I know program, I know Java syntaxes. What I need to do? I need to compare Java syntax and .NET syntax. I need to write the .NET program as per .NET syntax. If you ask me to work on the Python, what I need to know? Python syntaxes I need to know. How much time it will take for me to learn the Python syntax? 1 week or hardly 2 weeks of time. If you become perfect in one programming language, easily you can work with other programming language also. Sir, I am learning Java. After Java, do I need to learn the .NET also? Then you will be called as a stupid. Yes or no? Sir, after learning Java, if you do I need to learn the .NET? After learning Java, if you learn the .NET, then you are called as a stupid. You no need to go to separate institute to learn the .NET. You can learn that on your own. You no need to waste your money and your time to attend other programming language when you already know one programming language. Are you guys getting my point? If I want to do the business, I can do that. After learning Java, Python is having more demand. From tomorrow, I am starting Python. Yes or no? But really, is it required to attend the Python course after learning one programming language? No. After learning .NET, you can work with Java also. After learning Java, you can work with .NET also. Why? How? Syntaxes. Every programming language will have some syntaxes. If you know one programming language syntax, then other programming languages syntaxes also almost same. Not 100%. 85 to 90% of the syntaxes will be similar. Are you guys clear with my point? So when you are learning one programming language, first you need to become perfect in the syntaxes of that language. Are you clear? Yes, good. Now, if I want to develop a program, first I need to understand the syntax of the program. Who decided those syntaxes? Can I decide that? Can we decide that? No. Sun Microsystem decided those syntaxes. You need to learn that syntax. If you learn that syntax, then only you can write the program correctly. If you write the source code correctly, then only you can generate the bytecode. If that bytecode is generated, then only you can run that bytecode. Are you guys clear? Chalo. Next up. Now, in order to write the Java program, first we need to understand Java program structure. Sir, how that Java program is going to look like? What all the things will be available in the Java program? Let us see. If you want to write a Java program, we are using a text editor. For example, assume that this is my file. This is my file. In this file, I want to write my Java program. In this file, I want to write my Java program. Now, in the Java program, you can write any number of lines of code. 100, 200, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 million also, you can write it. Right. Java program, first, the Java program will start in the first line of the program. We are going to write import statements. What is import? Forget about it. We don't need that. For the next 1 month, we don't need to work with import. But I'm telling you, structure of the program. Every Java program will start with import How many of you know C language? Yes, come on. You can raise your hand. In the C language, you have header files, hash include stdio.h, right? Yes. So in the C language, our program will start with a header file. In the Java, our program will start with import. Imports are the replacement for the header files. Are you guys getting my point? Every Java program will start with import statement. Those imports are optional. When you want, then only we will use it. When we want, then only we will use it. Then next one, after imports, immediately package statements will be available. Statement nothing but set of instruction. Our Java program will start with import. Okay. After import, immediately what we will do? Packages. Packages also optional. Whenever on demand basis. What is the meaning of on demand basis? Whenever we need it, then only we need to, then only we can use it, right? What are the first two things will be there in the Java program? First one is import statement, second one is package statement. Imports and packages are mandatory or optional? Those are optional. If you need it, then only you can use it. Really, do we need to bother about them at this moment? Do we need to bother about them at this moment? Not required. Not required. Sorry, guys. It's my bad. First one will be packages. I'm sorry. First one will be package statements. Second one will be import statements. I'm sorry. I'm taking my words back. The order of the program. First, it will start with the package statement. After the package statement, it will start with the import statement. First, it will start with a package statement. Then it will start with the import statement. Package statement and import statements are mandatory or they are optional? They are optional. When we need, then only we can use. Otherwise, it is not required. Let me show you one simple Java program you can understand. Package statement and import statement. One minute. Sorry? Yeah, so many tools I have installed. Yes, guys, now can you see in my Java, this is my Java program. Can you see the Java file name? What is the Java file name? Login. What is the extension? .java. It is login.java. What is there in the login.java? What is there in the login.java? Some source code is available. What is available? Some source code is available. What is the first statement in the Java program? Package. Java program first statement is a package. So my program is starting with package. What is the second statement? Import. That is the order. That is the structure we need to follow. Whenever we are writing a Java program, first it will start with the package, then it will start with the import. Clear? Now, guys, in the program, only one package statement will be available. In a program, how many package statements will be available? Only one. Sir, simple. Package means grouping. Generally, a packet. What is the meaning of a packet? Group of items. Group of items. Similarly, in the Java project, when we talk about the project, multiple Java files will be available. We will group them. We will group them. How to group the programs? By using package. For simple, you compare Java syntax with your human's life. Then it will be easy. So in our general human's life, package means collection of items. In the Java, Package means collection of files, collection of classes. Are you guys clear with that? So in a Java file, how many package statements will be available? How many package statements will be available? Only one statement will be available. Fine. We are good with the package keyword, right? Package means group of items. Group of items. Now, import. Generally, you might have seen import export business. Yes or no? What is the meaning of import business, export business? Whatever the things which we don't have, we will import from other state or we will import from other country. Yes or no? Similarly, whatever the goods that we have, we will export to other state. We will rice we are exporting, petrol we are importing. Yes or no? Importing and exporting anything which is developed by others. If you want to use, now simple example, Apple mobile, I want to use Apple mobile. My friend is coming from USA. Then what I will do? I will import that mobile from USA to India because less price. If I purchase that mobile in the India 1 lakh, same mobile is 60,000 or 70,000 in the USA. We are going to import. Can I import multiple mobiles? Can I import multiple mobiles? Can I tell to my friend, bring 4 iPhones? Can he do that? Yes. Similarly, in the Java program, if you want to use the code of other Java files in our Java file, we can import them. Are you guys getting my point? Now, simple. You developed one program. Whatever the code you developed, I want to use your code in my program. Then what I will do? Import. Are you guys getting my point? So, is it difficult or easy? Easy. First one is package. What is the meaning of package? Group. Grouping the class, grouping the Java files is called as packaging. What is the meaning of import? Using others code. Using others code. Now, he developed one program. She developed one program. Can I use both developers code in my program? Can I import his class? Can I import her class also? So, can I have multiple imports? Can I have multiple imports? But can I have multiple packages? No. Package will be only one. Imports can be multiple. Let me show you that example. Let me go to some other Java class in my project. Let me go to some other Java class in my project. Yes. Can you see here? Can you see here? How many package statements are available? Only one package statement. How many imports are available? How many imports are available? So many imports are available. Now you see, import Spring. Spring is one framework, one software, one Java project developed by one company. I want to use the Spring framework source code in my code. Then what I have done? I imported that Spring into my code. You understand what is the package? What is import? Package means grouping. Import means using other files code into our file. One Java file can have only, at most only one package statement, and they can have multiple import statements. Are you guys clear with this one? Can you see this file name? User management service impl.java. User management service impl.java file name. So is it a user defined name? Yes, that I decided that name. I have the flexibility to use any name. For my file, I can use any name, but extension .java. Why should I use only .java? Why not .bava? Why only .java? Why not .bava? That is the syntax. Who gave that syntax? Java. So we need to follow syntaxes to write the program. Okay. Package statement will be there. Import statement will be available. But Package statement, import statements are optional. They are not mandatory. Is this clear? Good. After this package and import statement, the most important thing is class declaration. That's where our actual logic is going to start. Class. So every Java program will have a class. Class nothing but our plan. What you want to do with your program. What you want to do. Are we writing the programs for fun? Why we are writing the programs? No. We are writing the programs to perform some action, right? We are writing the program for fun, or we are writing the programs to perform some action? We are writing the program to perform some action. First you decide what you want to do. Logically, you imagine. In this program, I want to perform sum of two numbers. In this program, I want to perform two numbers multiplication. Are you guys getting my point? Yes. Stand up. Yeah. What is the recent movie you have seen? Okay. Can you tell me 10 movie names, one after other? Any 10 movie names? Guys, listen. If he repeat the movie name, he had to start from again. He is sleeping. I caught him. Okay. So tell me 10 movie names. The movie name should not repeat. For every 1 second, you have to tell one movie name. More than 1 second. Start from beginning. Again, one more than 1 second. Start from beginning. गोलमाल 3 1 2 4 5 ऐसा नहीं बोलना भाई ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. Start from beginning. Movie repeated, right? Name should not repeat. Name should not repeat. Come on. Starting from starting. RRR ट्रिपल आर दोनों सेम है ना. अलग एक मूवी है क्या ट्रिपल आर? कौन सा लैंग्वेज पे है? ट्रिपल आर RRR दोनों सेम है भाई. नहीं है भाई, ऐसा नहीं है. टेल मी अगेन. हीरोज पता है? हाँ पता, बोलो. More than 1 second. Repeat. It's more than 1 second. For every 1 second, you have to tell one name. More than 1 second, na? हो गया. चलो, sit down. Now you will not get the sleep. All right, good. We are trying to understand Java programming structure. So right, we need to follow the syntaxes which are given by the Sun Microsystem to write the program. Our Java program should start with package statement. For our Java program, how many packages will be available? Only one package will be available. After the package statement, then we will have import statement. How many import statements will be available? Any number of import statements. Then we will have class. Then we will have a class. Class nothing but your plan of action. What you want to do. What you want to do with your program, that you have to plan it. That planning will happen inside the class. Class is a blueprint. It is a imagination. It is a imagination. After that class is declared, then we will go for variables. Then we will go for variables. Variables are used to store the data. Now I want to store my name. Name is equal to Ashok. Age is equal to 30. Gender is equal to male. Name is a variable. Ashok is a value. So if you want to store the data in the program, then you need to go for variables. Variables are used for storing the data. After variables declaration is completed, then methods will be available. Methods are used to perform the action. Now, I want to perform sum of two numbers, 2 plus 3. Who will do that calculation? Method will do that. What is the purpose of the method? Methods are used to perform the action. That's it. No, variable keywords we will be using entire program. Package is a keyword, import is a keyword, class is a keyword, everything is a keyword. Right. This is the structure of the program. Right. Can anyone tell me what is the structure of the Java program? First we will have a package. Then we will have a import. Then we will have a class. In the class we will have a variable. After the variables we will have a methods. What is the purpose of the methods? Come on guys. What is the purpose of the methods? Methods are used to perform some operation. Methods are used to perform some operation, or I can say methods are used to perform some action. Are you guys clear with my point? Simple. Now see, we have our website. In our website, we have login functionality. We have a login functionality. I will enter some email ID and I password and I am clicking on login. I'm clicking on login. What happened? That means some operation performed. It verified my email ID password is correct or not. So can I say that is the action? What is the action? Validating the email ID and password. So if you want to perform any action in the project, that action we will write inside the method. What is a method? Methods are used to perform the action. People from C language, you have function. So now you realize if you know C, it is a confusion. If you don't know C, no confusion. Directly method, action. So now people will think, sir, in the C, it is called function. In the Java, why it is called method? I also don't know. We need to go to Sun Microsystem. Is it available? Not available. We need to go to Oracle. If we go and ask Oracle why it is called method, we also don't know. Sun Microsystem told that. So some syntaxes are available. We have to follow them. Can we change them? We cannot. They have given, we are using. That's it. Got my point? Right. In the C and C++, they are called as functions. In the Java, we will call them as methods. Methods are used to perform operation or action. Now, if you see any website, when you click on, online training, you are clicking. That means you are performing some action. When you perform some action in the background, some method executed, that method communicated with the database, that method got the data and that data displaying in the table. So in application, for every action, one method will be there in the program. Are you guys getting my point? So tomorrow we are going to develop a project. Project development means class will be available. In that class, variable will be available. Method will be available. What is the purpose of class? Class is a plan. What operations you want to perform? You plan them. I want to perform login. I want to perform registration. I want to perform sum, subtraction, division, multiplication. I want to do some calculations. I want to do some calculations. In order to do the calculations, I will write method, add method, subtract method, division method, multiply method. Whatever you want to do, for that you need to write one method. Login method, login check method, registration method, forgot password method. For every operation, one method will be available. Methods are used to perform the operation. Logic will be available in the method. Now we are going to write the programs with logic. What is the meaning of logic? Which is used to perform the operation. Whatever we are doing manually, that will be automated by using the program. Now you are doing Google Pay, Phone Pay. You will enter the mobile number, you will select it, enter the amount, click on send. What is the meaning of send? Operation. When you click on send, what is happening? Some code is executing, some method is executing in the program. That method will remove the money from my account, will add the money to your account. That is called amount to transfer. The method is amount to transfer. Now how my method will understand from which account to which account? Variable. Getting my point? I need to tell that from account is Ashok account, to account is Raju account. From Ashok account to Raju account. From is one variable, to is one variable. Are you able to getting my point? Just stop. Our daily life, we need to compare with the program. Then it will be easy. Everybody will do Google Pay. You are just selecting the number, you are entering, but program is available. Program is involved in that. From account to account. From is a variable, to is a variable. Now I will do like this. I will do like this. From is equal to Ashok Google Pay number. Ashok Google Pay number. 2 is equal to Raju Google Pay number. Amount is equal to 5,000. Transfer. That's it. What is this transfer? Transfer is a method. Are you guys getting my point? So what is available? Variables available, methods available. What is the purpose of variables? It is a variable. I am storing my mobile number. From, it is a variable. This GPay number is my variable value. Variables are used to store the values. Okay, I have taken how many variables? 3 variables. How many variables are there? 3 variables are there. What are the 3 variables? From variable, to variable, amount variable. Now I have data. I have the from data, I have to data, I have amount also. Now what we need to do? Transfer the amount. Amount to transferring is the action. Where I will write the logic. Logic means deduct money from account, add the money to account. That is called action. That action we will perform in the method. Transfer is a method. So this is one program. Is it difficult? It is not difficult. The only thing is understand the syntaxes. We need to understand the syntaxes. Come on, tell me. So what is the purpose of methods? What is the purpose of methods? Methods are used to perform the action. Methods are used to perform the action. Inside the method, what will be there? Logic will be available. What action that method should perform, we need to write inside that method. Hey method, transfer the amount. Hey method, give me the statement. Hey method, log in me. Hey, register me. Get online training schedule. Get classroom training schedule. Log out. That is called method. Method will contain the logic. That logic will perform the operation. How many methods we can write? Unlimited. It depends upon the requirement, right? Am I going to write only 100 methods? Am I going to write only 200 methods? N number. A project will contain n number of methods, depends upon the requirement. Based on the client requirement, we will understand how many operations we want to perform in the project. For every operation, one method will be available. So in the methods, to perform the operation, we need some data. Hey method, check my email ID and password. My email ID password should be there. I need to store somewhere. So that is called variable. Variables are used to store the data. Methods are used to perform the operation. Then what is a class? Class is a plan. How many variables we want to use? How many methods we want to use? We will prepare a plan. That plan is called class. Can I merge some classes into one package? These classes are for login functionality. These classes are for registration functionality. These classes for calculation functionality. How can I group the classes? How can I group the classes? Package. What is the meaning of a package? Grouping the classes. What is the meaning of import? What is the meaning of import? Import means reusing one class code one class code I want to use in the another class. One file code I want to use in the another file. Then we will go for import. Is there anything difficult or not able to understand? Any questions, anyone? Kuch questions? Yes. Generally, we are going to import packages only. Inside the packages, classes will be available. Okay. When you import a package, all the classes which are belongs to that package, you will get it. It's up to you whether you want to import a particular class, whether you want to import all the classes in that package. You can do that. Right now, if you see my program, java.io.bufferedreader, it is one class. This is a class which is available inside a package. We are importing that particular class. If I don't give this class, if I give star, it will import everything. Okay, the recommended way is we will import the classes by writing the names. We'll come to that. So once we start the programs, then we will understand how to import, why to import, what will happen when we import. We will understand that. Okay, for next 1 month we don't need these things. For next 1 month we don't need these things, right? Packages and imports are optional. Packages and imports are optional at this moment. Once we enter into project development, they are optional or they are recommended. Imports are mandatory. Packages are recommended. Clear with my point? Good. Fine. So Java program structure. Can you tell me Java program structure now? Java programs will start with package statements, then import statements, then class declaration, then variables, then methods. So this is the structure of the Java program. Can anyone explain me what is the structure of the program? Yep. What is the first one? Package, then import, class, variable, method. What is the purpose of a package? Grouping. Package is used for grouping. What is the purpose of import? Reuse. One file code I want to use in the other file. Then I am going to do import. What is a class? Class is a plan. What you want to do that you will define in the class. What will be there inside the class? Variables will be available and methods will be available. Can I write multiple variables? Can I write multiple methods? Yes. What is the purpose of variable? Variables are used to store the data. What is the purpose of the methods? Methods are used to perform the action. Is this clear? Chalo, good. Can we change this order? Can we change this order? No, we cannot. Methods and variables inside the class. First, I can write the method. After that, I can write a variable. Or after the variable, I can write the method. Last two can be interchanged. Last two can be interchanged. Can I interchange these three? No, we need to follow the order. First should be package. See here. See. I am trying to keep the import before the package. What happened? Can you see? There is an error. Syntax error. What it is saying, guys? Syntax error. Why there is a syntax error? Import is available before the package. But actually, as per Java, what is the order? First should be package. After the package, import. Am I using compiler to check the syntax? How I am able to identify that there is a problem? Compilation. But am I doing Java C? Now how I got the error? IDE. That is the beauty of the IDE. Development environment. Development environment. Now, if I go for Notepad, can I get that kind of error? No. When I will get the error if I write in the program, the Notepad, after compilation, I will understand that. Is it a time waste or not? Write the program, then compile, then it will tell that there is a problem. It is a waste of time. So to save our time, we are going to use a Notepad or we are going to use IDE. IDE. Whenever you are writing, immediately it will tell you whether it is right or wrong. So can I do more work in the less time? That's called productivity. If you do more work in the less time, it is called productivity. So to improve our productivity, we are going to use IDE. Are you guys clear with my point? Now you understand the difference? Why company people will not use a notepad? Why people will not use a notepad? Waste of time. Waste of time. Are you guys getting my point? Right. Now, so there is a syntactical error, syntax error. Package statement I have written after the import. But as per Java, what we need to do? First, I need to write the package. Then I can write the import. Okay. That syntax error got removed. Yes or no? Is there any red symbol available? Red symbol is not available. That means that is correct. Syntactically, it is correct. Now, can I keep import statement inside the class? What happened? Syntax error. So where should I keep the import? Import statement should be available after package before class. That is the syntax. Sir, why we need to keep import between the class and package? It is a syntax, man. That is the syntax. Who decided that? Sun Microsystem. Can I change that? We cannot, because it is a language. We need to follow the instructions given by the language. We are learning a language. So language is having set of rules. We need to follow those rules. As per Java, import statement should be available after package, before class. Are you clear with my point? Sir, I don't follow Java rules. I will write the import inside the class. Then what will happen? Syntax error. Then compiler will accept my code. Java compiler will not accept. If Java compiler is not accepting, can I run my code? No. If I want to run, I need bytecode. Who will generate the bytecode? Compiler. Compiler will not accept my code because syntactically my program is wrong. Are you clear with this? Fine. Good. Let us correct this mistake. Let us correct this mistake. Yes. First package available. Inside the package, imports are available. Then after class. Inside the class, what I have? Variables. Inside the class, what will be available? Variable. After this variable, what is this? Save user. If you read it, you can understand. Save user. Save user is a variable or is a method? It is a method. What is the purpose of that method? To perform some operation. Save user is one method. Then activate user, one method. Get all users, one method. Get user by ID, one method. Delete user, one method. Change account status, one method. Login, one method. Login, one method. If your credentials are wrong, what will happen? Invalid credential. Now, do you understand how we are getting the message as invalid credentials here? So there is a login method. It is checking your email ID and password. If that email ID and password is incorrect, my method is sending invalid credential. So that is the action. Right. So there are so many methods are available. There are so many methods are available. Generate random password. Okay. Read email body. There are so many methods available. So much code is available in the program. Almost 194 lines of code is available. Are you clear? Now, after the class, I have declared a variable. This variable, can I declare after one method also? Is it valid? Am I getting any problem? No problem. So methods and variables can be interchanged, but these things cannot be interchanged. These first three things order should be same. Then these two things can be changed. Inside the class, first you can write a variable, then you can write the method, or first you can write the method, then you can write a variable. Are you clear with my point? Good. Any questions, anybody? Any questions, anybody? So I don't want to disappoint you. Shall I write one simple Java program? Can I show you? So that our day will complete. Yes, today I completed one Java program. Shall I start that? But you may not understand that program completely. You may not understand the program completely. Take it. I will write it. Yes. Now you understand why this program is failed? Am I following the structure of the program? I'm not following the structure. That's why my program got failed. That's why my program got failed. Yes, I have taken a file, or else let me delete this file. Let me delete this file. So I am going to take one notepad. I'm going to take one. Before that, let me save the today's class. Yes, I have saved it. Yeah, I have taken one notepad. It is an empty text file. Empty text file. So Java programs should start with package. But is it mandatory? No. After package, what should we have? Import. Is it mandatory? No. Then after import, class. Yes. Class. To declare the class, I will use a keyword called class. And remember that Java is case sensitive language. So here class and class both are not same. Are you guys getting my point? Both are not same. So syntaxes we need to follow. Uppercase letter, uppercase character, lowercase characters are not same in the Java. That is the reason Java is called as case sensitive programming language. So we need to be careful with the syntaxes. Class. After this class, we can write class name. For every class, we are going to give a class name. That's up to you. Whatever you want, you can give the class name. If you see in my project, there are some classes available. There are some classes available. User management service.java, user management service impl.java. Then after, if you go inside that application.java, if you go inside that login.java, user.java, so config.java, user master.java, user master.java, user master repo.java, then rest controller.java, user rest controller.java, different names are available. So can I use any name? Can I use any name? Yes, you can use any name for the class. Good. Class name. For the first class, this class name I am giving as hello. What is the name I am giving, guys? Hello. After we have given hello, then immediately curly brace, open, curly brace, end. That means class starting point, class ending point. Whatever the code you want to write, you should write inside the class. Class starting point and class ending point. Now inside the class, what we can do? Write some variables, write some methods, write some variable, write some method. Fine, variables also not required. We don't know, forget about it. Now, I am writing this program to print a welcome message. I want to print one welcome message. That is my requirement. Can I say that is my action? Print welcome message. I want to print a message as welcome to Ashok IT. Got my point? That is a action. Printing one message is called as action. Where we will perform the action? Where we will perform the action? Methods. Where we will store the data? Variables. Where we will write the action? Method. Now, I am going to write one method. Guys, this method you may not understand. Leave it. Public static void main. That is the method name. Three dots, args. This is my method starting point. This is my method ending point. Class starting point, class ending point. Method starting point, method ending point. You see here. कहाँ गया वो? हाँ. Now you see class starting point. Can you see this is my class name, curly brace open, curly brace closed. So here in 198 line number, curly brace is closed. Where that curly brace is started? 199 line number, curly brace closed. In where it started? That started in the line number 24. From 24 line number to 198 line number, those lines of code available in one class. Class starting point, class ending point. How to represent class starting point and class ending point? Open one brace and close one brace. This brace you can flower bracket. This flower bracket you can write immediately after the class name, or you can write in the next line also. Are you clear with this? So this is my class. Inside this class I have a method. For the method also, open curly brace, closed curly brace. You see here I have one method called login method. Can you see? Login is one method. Curly brace is open, curly brace is closed. 127 line number, it open. 139 line number, it close. That means the lines between 127 to 139 all belongs to one method. Are you guys getting my point? Method starting point, method ending point. Class starting point, class ending point. How to represent starting point and ending point? Open curly brace, closed curly brace. Now, for example, if I don't write it, syntax error. So it cannot understand where it started. It can understand where it started, but it cannot understand where it is ending. There is no end point. There is no end point. So is this clear? This line, leave it. We will understand that in the coming session. That is one method. That is one method. Inside this method, I want to print one message. Simple. Understand the English. I want to print one message on my system. I want to print one message on my system. For that, I am going to use system dot out dot print or print ln kuch bhi print ln. Inside this, we can write message, whatever you want to print. Whatever you want to print, keep in the message. I am writing welcome to Ashok IT, something like this. After this, I'm writing a semicolon, right? Class starting point will be represented with the open brace, ending point will be represented with the closed brace. Line ending point will be represented by semicolon. Now, I have written one line. How my compiler will understand where this line is ending? Line means one statement. If I write a semicolon, that means my line is completed. My line is completed. If I don't write the semicolon, it cannot understand. It cannot understand. So, semicolon is also syntax. Getting my point? If I remove the semicolon, syntactical error. See here. Go to this program. Here I have a line. I have a line. Line number 143. 143 line is having a semicolon or not? Remove it. What happened? Before the line number, can you see small red color dot? That red color dot is a error. What is it is saying that? Syntax error, insert semicolon to complete black statement. It is saying that, boss, keep a semicolon to complete that statement. So if you go for any programming language, semicolon will be there to complete the statement. If you go for .NET also, curly brace will be there, class will be there, import will be there, package will be there. Are we learning only Java or we are learning a programming language? Not only Java, we are learning a programming language. If you learn a programming language, you can work with any language. You can work with .NET, you can work with Java, you can work with Python also. In the .NET also, class will be available. In the .NET also, package will be available. In .NET also, import will be available, variable will be available, method will be available, class starting point, class ending point, method starting point, method ending point, semicolon, everything is common. That is the reason I told 90% of the syntaxes will be same in all the languages. Are you guys getting my point? Yes. What is the purpose of semicolon? Semicolon is used to complete the statement. Semicolon is used to complete the statement. Fine. My program is done. My first program is completed. Sir, you kept 3 dots, but 4 is my favorite number. Can I keep 4 dots? No, that is also a syntax. The 3 dots is also a syntax. Right. Remove the 4th dot, keep only 3 dots. Right. Class name, class starting point, then method, method starting point, method ending point, then class ending point. With this, my program is completed. Inside the method, how many lines of code available? Only one line. Can I write multiple also? Can I write multiple also? Perfect. Yes. With this, my program is ready. Now tell me what I need to do. Look at this diagram and tell me what my program is there. I have written the code. You whether you understand or you don't understand, that is not important for today. Okay? Chhod do. Now my code is ready. How I need to run that code now? Stand up. Yes. Tell me, what is the program structure in the Java? सबसे पहले पैकेज, उसके बाद इंपोर्ट, उसके बाद क्लास, वेरिएबल, मेथड. Why we need variables? We need to implement the variable. Why we need a method? To perform any action, we need a method. Why we need a import? Reuse one file in the other file. What is package? Group of classes we are going to package. ठीक है, अच्छी है. सुन सो गया क्या? आंख खोल के सोच रहा हूँ क्या? So it's my bad then. Good. Sir, see here. So you are from non-IT background, right? Yes, he is from non-IT background. He is able to understand the programming concepts now. So now, can you believe that programming is not difficult? You need right person to teach you the programming. Then it will become easy. Got my point? Yes. My code is ready. Now what I need to do? First, I need to save the code. Where I need to save the code? In a file. I can use any file name. And after saving, what should be the extension of the file? .java. After saving the file, compile. Who is going to compile? Java compiler. What is the syntax to compile the Java program? Java C space file name .java. When I do compilation, what will happen? It will check for the syntaxes. If syntaxes are correct, it will generate the bytecode. What will be the extension of the bytecode? Dot class file. Once the dot class file is generated, what I need to do? I need to run the program. What is the command to run the program? Java C space file name. When I run the program, what will happen? JVM will start. JVM will take the bytecode. JVM will convert the bytecode into computer understandable format. It will give the output. Are you clear with this? Chalo, start. Now, my file is ready. File, save, go to workspace. I created a workspace folder. Currently, this folder is empty. Whatever the class name I have given, same name I am giving for file name. So generally, that is the recommendation. So what is the name of my class? Hello. What is the file name I am using? Hello. Hello.java. Click on save. My file is saved with hello.java. Now close it. Done. My program is ready. Hello.java. Is this clear? Now go to command prompt. Go to command prompt. Check the location. Where is your Java file? Where is our Java file? Java file is available in under workspace. From this location, select the address bar, type CMD, enter. Command prompt will open from that location. Are you guys clear with my point? So here my CMD, my command prompt is pointing to classes 01 Java SFD and workspace. So this is the location where my source code is available. Okay, right. So my Java file is available. Now, how many files are available? Only one file. What is that? Hello.java. Now I am going to compile that. So what is the syntax to compile? Java C space file name dot java. Okay. सब भगवान को एक बार नमस्कार करो. First time we are compiling a Java program, man. Yes or no? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Wow. Success. Can you see that? Dot class file got created. That means what happened? Our program compiled successfully. I compiled or compiler compiled. I requested the compiler to compile, then compiler compiled. Okay, let's try to see what is there in the dot class. What will be there in the dot class? Bytecode. Right click, open with a note. Can you read it? But completely, can you read it? Is it human understandable? Is it machine understandable? Who will understand this? JVM. Don't make any changes, guys, because file will be corrupted. We should not touch the dot class file. Just for understanding, I opened it. Generally, we will not open that. अगर open करे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है. Is there any use of that? No use. Simply close this. We don't need it actually. We don't need to read that file. We can't read that file. Chalo. Fine. Suppose for example, if my dot class file is deleted, if my dot class file is deleted, can I source code is available or not? Source code is available. Can I compile that again? Yes. Tell me the syntax. Java C space file name. What is the file name? Hello.java. Enter. Again, success. That means syntaxes are correct. Our program syntaxes are correct. Next, what is the next step? Sorry? But whenever you recompile, right, that old file will override, right? Can you create two files with the same name in the same location? Then if I compile once again, what will happen? If I compile once again, what will happen? It will override the old dot class file. Got my point? It is going to override the old dot class file. See, second file is created. No, it is overriding the old file. Fine. We are able to compile the program successfully. What is the command we are using to compile the file? Java C file name .java. What happened when I compiled? Bytecode generated. Why bytecode generated? Syntaxes are correct. Syntaxes are correct. What is the next step? Java space file name. What is the file name? Hello. Don't give dot class. That is wrong. I am saying only file name, not extension. Okay? Java space file name. सब लोग और एक बार नमस्कार करो. Yes or no? First time we are going to run the Java program. When I run the Java program, what will happen? JVM will come. Who will come? JVM. Can I see that? It will come on the fly. It will go. It will come. It will load the bytecode. It will read the bytecode. It will convert the bytecode into machine understandable format. It will give the output. Enter. Are we able to get that? Yes. Welcome to Ashok IT. Yes, we are able to compile and run our first Java program. Is this clear? But so many doubts are there for the people. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Slowly we are going to understand that. पार्टी आप लोग देना पड़ेगा यार. You people should give the party for me because I am making Java simple for you. Right. Yes, see that. Here. Yes. Now, so can we optimize this code now? Yes. Curly brace, can I start in the same line? Curly brace, can I start in the same line? Yes, I'm starting the curly brace in the same line. This curly brace also, can I start in the same line? Yes. This I will keep here only. Remove the empty line. Now I'm keeping that here. This is also fine. Class hello, public static void main, string arguments, system.out.println, welcome to Ashok IT. Can I write one more print statement? Can I write one more print statement? System.out.println. Guys, capital S, it is mandatory. Capital S, it is mandatory, sir. I will not write like this. Can I write everything like this? Welcome to Ashok IT. Welcome to Java. Okay. Can I compile and can I run? Can I try? Can I give a try now? Yes. Save it. Save it. Save the file. Delete the old dot class file. Delete the old dot class file. Let's try now. Java C hello dot Java. What it is saying that? Boss, I cannot find the symbol. Yes. System. Yes, it is not able to find out. Compilation got success. Compilation got failure. Compilation got failed. It is telling clearly hello.java line number 6. So there is a syntactical mistake in the hello.java file line number 6. There is a error. Cannot find the symbol. Which symbol? System. Cannot find the symbol? System. Okay, let me correct it. I will keep S capital. I will keep S capital. File save. Oh, okay. We'll see. We'll see. Now Java C again hello dot Java. Again it is saying that cannot find symbol. In that line, so many errors are available. So Java compiler not able to understand that line of code. Syntactically, that line is incorrect. Can we correct that line now? How can we correct it? System dot out dot println. Welcome to Java. Now, whenever you modify the source code, you need to compile and you need to save and you need to compile. Okay. Okay, good. Java C space hello dot Java. Success. Yes. Bytecode generated. Yes. So what is the next step? Java space hello. Can I give dot class? We should not. Java space hello. Enter. Two statements are printed. Welcome to Java. Welcome to Ashok IT. Two statements got printed. Good. So with this, we are able to understand how to write first Java program and how to compile our Java program, how to run our Java program, and what is the Java program structure. What is the structure of the Java program? Okay, I will give this code in the notes. Yeah. Okay. So what is the syntax to compile? Java C space hello dot Java. Then Java space hello. This file I am saving with a name called hello dot Java. So I'm writing a first Java program in the notepad. I'm compiling this in the command prompt and I'm running this program in the command prompt. I got my expected output. Is this clear? Fine, perfect. Next. Guys, I will show you how to access class notes and videos. People are sending some messages in the WhatsApp group. How to access the class notes and backup videos. In the Ashok IT website, for enrolled people, I gave the access. So go to login. You already received an email with your email ID and password. So if you don't have that, just go to sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. If you click on this, it will ask your mail ID. Select your mail ID. Once you sign in with your mail ID, go to our dashboard page. In the dashboard page, you can find my courses. If you access my courses, you can see one course called Java Full Stack Development. You can see course called Java Full Stack Development. Here, join class, Zoom link, but Zoom link is available here. Daily, the people from online should click on this button to join the class. It will redirect to Zoom. And if you click on view notes button, the class notes is available. All the class notes is available. So Telegram link is available. I mean, WhatsApp group link is available. Zoom link is available to join the live class. Class notes I have uploaded. You can click on download. When you click on download, notes will open. Press Ctrl yes. You can save that file. Okay, notes is opening in the website only. Press Ctrl yes. You can save that file. So that is for class notes. For backup videos, if you click on watch video, it will go to another platform where the videos are available. For that also, we have given the access. So when you go to that platform, it will ask you to log in. We already created the account for you. If you click on login in this, enter your email ID and password. Once you log in here, once you log in this platform, you can see the course which is assigned for you. If you click on that course name, and daily videos will be available with the date wise. Click on start lesson. Daily videos will be available date wise. You can play those videos. Backup videos available and class notes is also available. Class notes we are accessing in one platform. Videos we are accessing in the another platform. For all of you, already the access is provided in the both platforms. Your accounts are already available. You just check your email, you got the credentials. Got my point? Yes. Next one. Online people, when the Zoom link is modified, you will not get any email or nothing. You just need to log in into our portal. There you have a button called join class. So daily you need to click this button and you need to join the class. View notes, you can download the notes from here. So here, if you click on this button, there is a WhatsApp group created for the doubts. So click on this button, you will be redirected to WhatsApp and join. So videos, you can click on this and you can watch. And remember, every day class notes will be uploaded immediately. Class notes will be uploaded immediately. Now class is completed. I will log in into this website as a faculty. I will log in into this website as a faculty. I will upload the class notes. Video will be uploaded within 24 to 48 hours of time. What is the today's topic? Java program execution flow. Java program execution flow. Now I am going to choose the file which I have prepared for you today. I will select it. 21st September. 21st September. Yes, perfect. And click on submit. I have uploaded the class notes. I have uploaded the class notes. Now you can download it. Class notes I will upload immediately after the class is completed. Video minimum 24 hours, maximum 48 hours of time it is going to take, because in a day 40 to 50 batches are running in the online. Admin should upload the videos one by one. For that it will take time. So you need to wait for the video. So that's why don't miss the live classes. If you miss the live classes, you will not understand the next session. Please attend the live classes daily. Backup videos for revision, if you want, you can go through that. That is the extra benefit we are giving. No institute will give you backup videos for the offline people, but we are giving that as well. You can go through those videos when you have some problem. And our lab is all going to open on next Wednesday. So due to some puja and all, we are waiting for that. So next Wednesday, that is going to open. You can come and practice. You need to carry your laptops. You need to carry your laptop who are coming for the lab for practice purpose. Clear? Any doubts about the class notes and backup video? No. For you people, no need to worry about because I'm here. Now, online people, you need to be very careful. You already got the email, log in into our website. In the WhatsApp group, I have already given the URL, how to log in into website, how to access the notes, how to get the videos. Yes, sir, I will do that. I will give that. Yeah, I'm working on that part actually. I will give it. Fine. Thank you guys. The people from online. So you need to join the class from website from tomorrow onwards. So when the Zoom link is modified, we will update the Zoom link in the website. You need to join from the website directly. For offline people, don't miss the live classes. For offline people also, mostly tomorrow we'll provide the ID card. If anybody is pending with enrollment process completed, you will get a ID card. Admin will check ID card, then only they will allow you to the class. Right? I think 6-7 classes completed. Those classes are enough to decide whether to continue this course or not. Right? Good. Thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.